The Diamond Supermarket. My name is Simón Vélez Correa. Chapter 1. Annie, 26 years old and in the then semester of Industriality Engineering. Problem 1. Annie, here you get daughter work part-time in a supermarket cashier. His father does not allow her to apply her contage, pretending that she worry exclusively about money. This is one of the main problems, and it is day her daughter is studying a career in which she could provide her with great knowledge and support in many areas in which engineering has the great mm, field of action and in the way help to make better decisions. Chapter 2. Pedro. He is 29 years old and has the teenage bachelor's degree. Problem 2. Pedro is some empirically manages the supply chain and interacted with customer and supplier. I was in charge of position which has the business grow. Next grade count dash and leadership for negotiations and the proper way the manage resource which were to competition. Chapter 3. Joaquin Perez Rodriguez is a 65 years old. Problem 3. Joaquin is the founder of the El Diamond supermarket, which started with an idea and was building and positioning it at that time with the help of his family, but here did not take late account that is imitation ideas head to innovation, just like his business. To continue endowing wise the straining over time. Kevin in made the competition which come wise innovation. It is on better technology that will allow the customer a better experience as well as better quantified supplement for which El Diamond continue to be just a business family. Thank you very much.